You're the best with a woman. Good evening. Oh, Sarah, you're the best with a woman. Why are you walking? Why you have to lose some more. Oh, yeah, man. Diga kwe no ba o. Oye le o gokie. She did. So man. Ilé do wa to wa pe o, ilé do lu zomo. That's the top. Aye. Pray. Jo Sasui. Osaro Sasui. Wama Jo Sasu. Okay. Wabonya wagakpi wano monobaledo. I can see you there. Efosa Ruse. That's teacher. I can see your posing. Well, welcome. Yore is untouchable. It's outcast, okay? Thank you for always speaking truth. Yeah, God bless you. If you don't lose some while you are seeing a woman. Wow, you do. Who dare no sinu? Oh yeah, I my wife build down over the boy you winner. Hey, and I know one. Honorable wife. Bless you, my daughter. Oh, Daniel Paul, thank you. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. Oh, okay. Why Dario? Why Dario? No man want no Dario. You know, I ain't gonna get nowhere. No, I ain't gonna get nowhere. Oh, your bogey. Get nowhere. I ain't gonna get nowhere. Walk your banner. I ain't gonna get nowhere. Get nowhere. I ain't gonna get nowhere. Oh. I ain't gonna get nowhere. Waya wabota wadomo wabenegeka e. Tinaivie wato. Benly Sonko Idebudia. Thank you for sharing. Ayo where you go there? No. We need more foundation in Benin. Good. You're going to that is nice. A mobile style, we need more foundation. Good. Ah, mommy, good evening, oh, Pastor Juliet. Mommy. Good evening, ma. No, good evening, madam. Okoro Benita, good evening. Yeah, we are doing lewe po wayawa wese. Tina wato. Ewo ipo. Wayato, we are doing lewe po wayato. Eno se we wanibu waji winner. E wani winner. I'm your social media gugbeya. Wa yen ya he gbe dawe ebe keni ariye. Iye winner. So wani winner ni roye mu bo mi ege. But so I tell la land u pagba ba we week. So pe me na do ta ebe no do le do yi no ri bu de ni ma ya fe ni rewe bu e ma do ta. Ewe oni adame oni so kwe ene la na mi ano ma keke ene la toge la mwe oge ba oge foma ene la tie bonegbe eyu imani bu oni adame oye so kwe re rio una mi jaji mo sabu agi agbon eke na tene no magba eke na swe ni ebo eke na we no magba ma ke we are wa onyo ke we adame o ma magbo na edu aya ma we na we obo all my time we we need more foundations one foundation ke na we obo ni bi ogwe are gwale ni bu ade so edo eni ma oni ma adame o u da we ma go ame ra de so edo ma ege ologun are arioba eno arioba edo ya ma we na arioba Nigeria ya ma ke ma adame o àwọn pa no lese la wa no ma bo wa de no ma zobo de o wa se we bodo azobo nu we do ateme no ma keke we to we ya awon azu olele bege we ohun aso won kian uje e ya de yi o eno ni wa ga da me egbe ibudo ke ma ri egbe mala ewon ke ma ri egbe we pe chotara waya wa wese zebe uge no sunu no de ka bo pon waya imie unwagie a lot of messages on my phone and some videos ne iyore of Paris pe na waya finugie ewawa erima maya dame one makpele owele ojedo ya fefe ne oleka oludo olisile afefe meni yore ya ikpeye good we no we fasi yore okin we walibu wa be dame ore si da we le social media ya nege un yore gie no di mofi social media president egbe wo la dia after some months most 1 year the more final the wall la dia ni maya idami ore no ma idami ore ni ya ibi edo ni ro wa ni risi are ri no keke maya ihe no keke maya ke so pa aya kia dira iyore of Paris uni nu gieni e recording uni emi no gba uwere do nwa ba otedo ni uwere do nwa ba ereru were do nwa ba Oba yoba redo. Oboga ibogbe. Obono iwegbegbe. Redo soedo. Oke ovionba. Yore. Obona iwegbegbe, obona iberegbe, awo obona beregbe, owegbegbe. Oboni oke ovionba. Dene oba iwegbe se metamuwe. Are tumu obo wegbe so no wegbe so mo no ba nedo. Obo wegbe obo iya dawegbe ni adwa ovi oba na mi oba eyan. No ba eyan ya tie obo ya gu dawegbe. Dado no wegbe se. No wegbe se ni oba. Oke ovi oba. Ile do ni zomo wa me gugwa na. We no dawe wo we. Iya na ya fe ne ve na kan. Ekiama Yesuku odeba ologonwana ya fefe no gba dona ama Yesuku ni nene donia na nwa ama wedo ekia lama ene na alama me wala moge o ma geni bu koto ya wewe na azedo e o ma geni bu we mi wo baby bian amageli bu we mi baby bian oni o logo manoro tora edimofi we ata egwa zebo me gwa we zebo me ya se edimofi gwa zebo edono wo ye zenia oya yo wo pe oya message be up ne dono ze egba. Okay, then you want to be what neboti what you want to be why uzebo edonweze nya egba uazedo uya figbe yeki uazedo ya figbe yebu you cause problem but ya we only literacy no ipolo se wagbon already Murphy is too big when no why yes kuni ni egba zebo ni awe Owale zedo edoni we atin emu hian but it don't feel you but you want to show that you knows more than every other person. You want to show that you knows more than every other person. Okay, omo no ba $1 de de ona se wuji no ni ma wa ya fefe ni risi ona pon wa ya na egwezo so pa na memo edo na ma wa be na ya zedo e but to be no gbona e ti be ni ne dogbe ina we ayi akere ni e woni we amara e do mo fi ala lo ga tale no se si ni ne e woni da me do ye bread mo fi ya da me do mo fi we rubbish no ta lo ni bu pa ya buyore ye ya da me no body e no we ni ami na e wo do ni awon mu me nobody want to listen to good thing. Nobody want to listen to good thing garden except no see problem. The Dimofi Yore Obo Namire we boy Vikiana, the strongest Obo, one in Germany, one in France. Eya Vikina, the one in Bonima, you want Monoma, Tamema Imira. Niamau de Wa Teleade. Oya ye. E face Yore. Why damn you, while the Yore? Waga Oviedo, where Oviedo walking, when or Jerry. Ian Fana, Nevena Kara. Ian Zeboya, we program here, Doyaze. Or in my way, Iviedo, Lelia. Iviedo, or Lilimana. They are the followers of these people. I hear. Akobeka, where walking your back. Yes, he can wear. Amati. O we moto we ari ye gweru ai una ki oyoba okay wani leli yore na ino ta me yore na wa ya da me si di ni yore pe yore ka we o ye tewe e me no gwa kan egwa eri atamu wara yore we ebie bi vuedo ukparedo ebie bi ya sowedo ebie bi vuedo we ye mumia ye tame mani ayala jan we biebi egwa ma eni ropa we ebiebi no redo Oka monoba ke no mwe we biebire we ego ba sekigwa rude envelope na rie yegwa we de setigwa don eye seti dole doyi na mwe gwani ya de so edore enwa wa damia na mwe gwani na mwe ya de so edore we ovi pata bi si gawo ji ya le gagbe wa ya damia o yore a picture wo atalo anyone dey school na ma yo wa ma no sunu why kan omonoba kan upa no redo omonoba le mo contract upa na dey school na ma yo o igbo ayan na won gbe wa dan yo ni why omonoba a governor, a government, already oba say, oh, we have to go back. The traditional council all under Omonoba Nedo. All traditional council is under him. You are signing in any other thing. E kiwe ya vefe. So pa eno kan pa e no wame. O ya gwo monobi egwa. Monoba iti oba se kiwe ma won pa. We go gwa we oba go pa redwa. E go so kwe kino we ti gwanse o ya ti gwanse tamo e o ba se ki we u pare do wa we mu pa e o ba se o kere me do pa we de ni o ga mo no ba le do kwa polopolo o ba wa giri gan ma ya bege we o bo ba se ki ario ri office o ga ata ba we egelegele na ye o no we ni egelegele ye mo we de na o ba ga we o gba e o le re but wo mo no ba se ti wi no tiny o na bo ba se ki ma ya bege parce qu'il promise we gelegele anwu na gelegele ma ye wuna na gwana awo ba ma ya e no ba se ti wo o ka wo e si di e no stop o we o to ti eni yaje o te ti e si di e ya se ti on ya to ni afefe dodo ba mi bu ya fefe no we wa boy wa la te una no we na yiu e cotis ti ya fefe ni o we e bi yen ni mo ibi yen ya kin ya kare yan ya seti ola ile wa le ta we osu kala ni agbe we bona o yen ya seti bi yen ya kin wo ikamono ba kan pa ne redo uyore dege won le guwe we sukunu majo won ya mo egbo fi e me na ju gbo fi pe e nu ku wuki uwe ki yo ba se mo yiwe na yore ere rutani e di mo fi die we la gale ni a u da we da my brother we aga asia dade asio e di mo fi you will never be free because omo ligi omo da wa ya ehin where e si di we la da mi wa e du yore na yuji ona ri ekpon me ri wo me get di mo fi we si di ni that voice the message ni ona pon me di mo fi where yonze we abi agia ya lawa edimofi ona pon edimofi o pon edimofi ne don fi la re si di ni wa re le udi yo me rie e parti o me no u de jami de si di na pe ma yage ma be we unwo boji wo yo opa unwo boji wo ji opa edimofi wo we gbina na do Nigeria Pesidini for almost 1 year now. Why didn't you reveal it to the people? Why madao? Rutame irie party we ona safe wa we no dey abin Diana. But who we Sidini? Ona dey pon me ju we. Uda we wo yo okay. Wa wo gba wu. Ona tamaye we was there we awa shawe ya lawa uta no pa mo no ba kedo gun ayo ona pon we so mo no ba dedo uta ga gun wa you nu we won to wa na ya fefe o wa you nu we won to o da we mani gun na ibi edo union in Germany e ke kan ri aje edo community o ke wa apagbe ruda we representative of Oba of Benin. Every city you belongs to. If you are a member of a Edo Union in Germany, you both have to rise because Away Ojasi a woman. Or more than as I wrote it. Or the other way was soon. Or Messi Ocas will be an air. Or I've been an air of Vama who subject Bequa. I can only have to tag what I know soon. Why eating away you poor Edo Union, Edo community in Germany, in Paris, wherever you are, there these two fucking guys then are sorting our traditional ruler who we are representing as our father, royal father. Then I am a president of Edo Union in a city where I belongs to. So you know you look that is why I claim to be Edo voice. Because I have ruled for over years and years. I'm about to hand over my power to people, to the next person. Then I continue to be an advisor to all the Edos in the diaspora. You get me? So, when I viens d'honorer Paris, where Edo Union or Edo community or Paris et que l'yoreje, on m'a dit mouiller à bourreau. They are not telling a citizen of Benin. You are able to not count yourself to be an Edo people or a Bini people. Anything we don't want to do, I do a sitting me. I don't want to know your be me. The sitting me. Edia, Edia, what is ya? Ik be ma huwe. Ma do bo ya ri emi e hona agui maro. E gbo eri e gon ni sike ma wa. Ma we mu ame. Ana wa temo mo no ba ya na agbon kan ya be ye ma ri ati e. De do je e mo no ba e ta ke ma je. Wa ya ta president e po won ni ma. Uye bolo je na do ni ma. Gwe ndo mo e mo no ba do mo egboto. Ni ke ni ma ni ri e do ye. E sakara o wa re o wa ni a o. Sakara o wa re yo a o. Edimofi. We go to a away as far as I get a big way. Waketa on an watana on 80 for water. If you will la lagba, ne ya for water. Edimofi yore, and agbe yotona. One anyway. One anyway, so no fwedu, no ma fwedeko, no lelia have a program. We are so a voice now. We are so the Guanyo Yore, not a society where we are Biani, but it bears Zuak Beo. We are here, a voice here. Agrippa Lakina. Iyore. Who is Iyore? Iyore. Evan Wekere. The Yekoriomo. What most of them don't know you, Iyore. How many of them, as my friends, are my good friends? They don't know you. Oh, we must go the wa Iyore. Imagine, Obani Iyasigie, we muyi yeke. Owa no Iyasigie gbina na oye no ri oba, owoba owe oba ri oba. Ya se gbi ye ya fefe ya gbun ko to ne. We are minami yesige. Una say ewa ogidi guy. We want to tell ewa ogidi guy. O we fi nuke. Eyore. Ewa e. Owe egbe edowe egbe ewa agyoba se. When oba is a kokoko. Unu oba irena. We have almost 40 something obas. Under the way egbe ewa egbe agyoba se. Hey. Ala kita mwe we gbo wa agyoba se. Eyan leba. Ije ukere gbe. Oh, okay, can't you dawe? Oh, now, walk up all a janu in your door. Umosek beno walk barrier yori. Master, oh, I went to where a new tally is too strong and so heavy. Don't know pataki, no any. No, can wear utai say, where a bemarai. That's why regretting. He have like what? He had the ball away go back to Payata. I'm when no see bonus we can kind. Or mamma if you look your bed door about by the second. Umaruta. We be would I wear Uwebe Uguapo Bonima. That is good. You are strong. Webe. Emani Kelly Mana Biebo. Na bia bo adeswe doni eni emani bonoba won watawe emani bonoba won oba this we o fe we Well, big no case where we be again who's a big baby again, or not so our body. Then what you have to do, Hana? Well, I mean, your video have spread all over the world. And any Edo man, a real Bini man, that heard that story, Omanariat, where Otenedoni or Yamie. Otele doni omie wa somie wa van ora bowa etele doni toni na nu omi wani emi no mano ye te do ye zaga udawe oba onya toni maya e abima bio erime my father died at the age of 5 years obana oye mu gbotone wetania I feel my soul. No matter the age you are, if you are even 200 years of age, you know this or monopane donate 10 years, that is our tradition and our life. And no back no way so bani. Maledo time after Salobadi Magata Jesus Christi or by money no. My time we believe on it. Then all your Hakeren were saying, na me come where Uwe na vwe we deswe dore. Where yore ukerebe. I will react because I am a typical Benima leading the Edo people in a city. So yet it down your media for radio. Iwu ya ke deswe gwade. Unibu buede yore. Born again, we had where near the manna. Why are born away as well? Where as well? Oh, Bobo, where the ticket area do what ye guaba, we are Zoboni. Then we are your hair, we are Taya Fefe. And your parent die yore. Except where to boy your own ladja. Whoso have been recorded. There, any kaya boy, Matamania. Ugo developing on la egwa. E biebi ya avwe ya. Yeri mama seti gwayo. Ofewe igwe. Yore gwe. Ama wo enu we mi na mi abie kankan we won igbo we si obugbe. We to we ya total down a video ni yori. Yori of Paris, sit down and watch that video once again. There we no be where. Le kola de da ti gwe gwan radio. Na dote erima ya fefe era doya una gebuni a message that will never be deleted on YouTube. Okay. When okay e yo paro wa ma na dimorphin we am your we na dimorphin unwa e wa gwe e ga na dem ade o ma ga finu ge gwa awe Igeme, wasunu, igeme, wasunu, wasunu, nakana, so. De no eta, awe mo bare donu. Uai tebe mo bare donu segwa. Uai segwa, we are telling you mio. Di ma wade. Awa. E mani buro iwa bebe ni. Ya wa bebe kia. Ase ka yania. Ase egwa yania. Cause all back here, and he can winner. I say, oh, ya send ya. It's so I get baby yaw. So why not? Ni work be off the social media. Yeah, a guy or monoba was a bay. Every other boy. Every other boy, yeah. And who was the center? And who was that big. The muffin or was that big, not basic one. Ola gbona na gbesogbo wi ye ani yo edimo fi doesn't way owa mere janze owa ya de ma ta na dia doesn't way u gbeka ya se gbonu wa ta happy birthday to yo ilo we dada lo mi we birthday ni me na o samede adu bizwa me mi we birthday ni they we me we birthday ni we o zen we do. No my sick bever. Ne dio social media long we me so wa dokpa nu ya gbe mi la iwe babalawo wo o me re o sa me dia du me re tara dia unu we omo ni eri enu we yan eye beauty today my on I tell you Rinareta is what happen in social media. We all listening. Why we pay Oyarwe computer one. Then I will la una la javena do happy birthday. Happy birthday wo we na. I mean of we go. Woman advisor. You don't have an advisor. That is your problem. Any chase is a disease. Then they don't tie, then they both tie. A disease, you know. And the Murphy who la wadia because social media o ma fit we ye ukwa ye bogwan ukwa mwe yo wa ukwa zedo uche bonegwa because we no ya tie we nedia uwe e ma uwe mala ho wo kati e bo ni makedo ahon now unuwa ma ka e bo ni makedo ahon we radio ni ma do apera ni matanya egwa ma fi we die me ka wa ya fefe dem wa unyaga lege eri mage ere diawa no le do diawa wa ni buma yeti dia we no use eri mani very quiet man ona u wana u at the end wa ma ti dia wa ya bi wa na e bi lo go la webo unyi me dani o ele lu wa la webo la me wa ye mu o wa la me we wa ke wa na kuria tinu gyo wa o ha mu wa yo pa ye wa wudu eyan pa ni tabo we no ki o ma ko wa lojo ja no ba o ye wo e no ko ko no dare iyore una o ye do na dare iyore we o mi ano mie o yo ba o ki wo o ki buenu na o ye do una wa o ye do no ye le iyore be platform o ge zere radio na ekpe no we ade no ka ere gwa ni yore ni nuka o yo ba o ki you have o yo ba o ye wo ki Udawe, emani ki oyo ba zemo iwe, all eliyore. I'm telling you people. Then any yore tani, no na finu kiegwa. Koma no ile le platform yore is an enemy to the kingdom of the Edos. Okay. Because emani le ni eni, o eti ni emani afinu kiegwa. We me yon se gwa we gwa e iyo le ofen oki ma je ofen oki agari ase aya si o se yele wo ma aga me bono wegbe aya si o se yele wo ma uga meti aya gbina ne wo ma oya wa soro ye ya gbina ne do oji yo ba ni esige ya honedo oye mota ya kawe kioba evi no meri na ni awu ya ma gbo bani adowa ya ri yo bono bani adowa no bani onya adowa na you see iyo re we na re wu meti una afinu gie eri mai baba khere awe me kekra ta umewa o se ko hiwi iyo re vi enu mina make sure you drink nu enu awu na na mewe echo of we iye do ya fefe ire Dego e Paris we ye ni yedo community edo union ni re Paris ni o ke ya mu waburo ma ke ro pa ga tuwe ira gele o yedo ana mewe they are representing Edo. Yes, if those people in Paris are representing Edo as re Edo EDG, they suppose not amu waburo ai tuwe u de ose o yo ba nu kian le no la jaunuwe eme no la jonu we na mo egwa ye dore do ba ma setting iyore na me ma e kamu we una ranu ama woni atoni ma we even we jeni atoni ma we oye pa modi yore when I saw you ugun egbe ni ila do ge we awanyo deba e Morocco ya we access ga ge de boy ba no e Morocco no si deba but ge ne Morocco wa nyo si we fi ni ha Gerina e Morocco wanyo si wefi. Only to enter a place uma can wurie. What tota? I'm telling everybody. If you do pataki na o na o nyagba. No e we edo yen kere. No e ge edo yen kere. Ula wowo. Iyore of Paris a program ore wa gbagbe ne oti audio apologize do iria udawe maniye do we tawe akwo mo dane pegbe Iyore mo no mo se no do ya yo no yema no ya go gbeso enwe wa jere but eni do you do na enwe se ti yeme oti ola dia do tam maniye do afefe pe record yin we esu osu aye ndo we ami on esu lo asu aye ma we ami on asu ramala re wa osu aye do we gbe re yo na la wo yen de gbe iti we de no iti e patio itugie ye Paris no yeni ya pon ye Paris ye do afefe ni re Paris when ya ya bien o iti e patio ye ani aya ni ma ya de ba yin edo le do la wo ni aya boy uda we emi ani no masunu de then I read Iyore. Come on, Iyore from henceforth. Ogyon pa ogyen bo eno. Ogyon pa ogyen bo eno. And ni na sunu da Iyore. Ile to na sun aso ni ne. Egwa na sun aso ni ne. O wa sunu da man watch e. O wa sunu da man support e. Ruta okwoba o kwaron pa okwe bo eno. E me na be tu ese kono ba ye ruta we e kare mu ene wo de. E cannot buy you any would there and guanya, it is a moye because the put down social media like the good. Iyore, where we best doa, and don't work carry, where we best do. Iyore of Paris, a lolo, I watch you. Where we not work, I walk out, I work best, a cock, I work best of Kuta. Agua. Iye we ga ya fefefe ni re webo eya enegbe a ogbon ni aya fefe e we ga we ko me ma ile ne ye we ga ni buya we ma we go sa we ti we then we ya we na me we ko gwa obon we zero na me gwa we kesu azo de but ya ni buya ma we iye we ga me wa ya ne me ya obo e babra iye we ga ko wa ri aje omo na wa ti wa egboge wa ti eya we ga ni na ya we ga wo mo no ba no Iyore seti don ye e fara no ye give you korion mani ye korion wetin ye fara gima duda we o ipin abopa la figbon ofun ni ke ya fefe Iyore iri ye korion ma gi wo mani ye korion ma gi wo we dona iri we ga ro pa ma gi wo we ge gbugbo era nu na finu ge do ya fefe Iyore Iyore ma iri do ya hewe ya ko wa zo ya ko ya fefe ma o pe record ni wa da le o abi no bi we olowo no we ya pe record ni e ra we no fu we ko no we pe record ni ma ni ye do ma e o bo we ma ho ni ma e o bo we jori Iyore ma ni ye do ma ni de that reason gu pe te gbe re o ge gwa won ye Iyore wa ni le Iyore wa da mi o there's gonna be wayaji winner. Wa ke lani yona. No that way 10 or right man. On everywhere na ro pata di metamana or him many in. That is just my own. Because I can me se me gwa sera. When or him no ru we mind. E boy always so him. E boy solution we never so him. By weekend a weekend ina awa kelani waya fefe waya wa mwegbe emi Iyore of Paris oyanoja jegwa ni maya ho na demographic tile na ma apere o sare 29 send egun esi awa send re phone we e battery every week na send re no pe so Maya fefe Magmamwegbe, let us be prepared for weekend. Let's open line because if you not okay Maya fefe, if not kagwa okay ye do ya fefe ni lisi. Who that were in Canada the other day when they were doing for Canada summit in the other day. Oba of Benin sent a message of prayer to all the Edo people in the diaspora, including this Iyore. Ya pray never have fair. But Iyore You have the God. Then whatever fair, ni give the name. What you ni mayo watamia. We can open a line. Everybody should contribute in this issue. No monopoly do. They can want you on then when you see because everyone living in that sunu, you only had a reaction. Les dates contribution, les dates contribuent. J'ai osé. Ni yore do. Di palace. Di enige. Di ramopa. Ni yore tiabona we. O vioji le gagbe. O amu wewe. E ramopa. O ye yari. E ya envelope yae. Iye tewata. Ah ouwa. Eranomigo kale temena. Eranomigo said the same thing. Where you someone say, what did you people mean by this thing? Or when now one say ata? Why? Amigo, amigo, Ubege, away ofega ide, or your Ibiaka. Or Pelike Buin, where if it don't fatter Wahini. Wa fa te fi do we kan nuri egbe ye awa la mo ge akin aso wa na nuri egbe iwo ma de gbe we egbe le freedom na mi go unu gba Buhari e America unu gba we block e unu gba e na mi go we me no tana unu gba we na mi go block Buhari have been to America 2 or 3 times we may organize a protest against Buhari there, while the social media, empty vessels make the loudest noise. Yes. Talo. And we are going 90 in Nigeria, think about in Nigeria. And I only way. When Obaseki did not go to Canada, Unawe, I mean, wow, and amigo, I mean, wow, I to Obaseki was in Canada. Utewa mwebeko, then you only see some in Canada. You go the ticket, and why I sue Obaseki. And why I sue, you go know where the it's a breaking of contract. Since I publish anywhere already, or Maggie, una the ticket. Amigo. At the end, few weeks ago, Obaseki went to America. In US Summit. You did not go. You heard that Obaseki was in America. The conference in here, Obaseki Novena here. Amame protest whoever. Umaya block Obaseki. Then you just come out away from America to Agbodo Europe. You look Europe as South Africa. That will be kind of like Libya. Well, you see, I went in Nigeria. Talk about Kainwere. Obaseki Nwere, Katosa Nwere. Then Obaseki came to you in America. You could not even do anything. That was why one social media. Talo. You take out the lion, a dog and a goat. Umawe we say here. Yes, amigo. Amigo me Gugwana. Buhari went to UK. People protest against him. Ariel left when Buhari went to UK. When Obaseki went to Belgium, Genosage, no veriga wokia, they are bought never one more day. He bought ticket on our block in Belgium. We are going. He wanted to talk to him. But with another synagogue, mighty one. But the Obaseki in America, the summit in Adoni, we are Gaje. We are Gajo market and I got the ticket in the Obaseki to Belgium. We made the ticket from Texas. We are swinging Texas and we are many again. They are evaluating America. Then you cannot even go and block Obaseki or Buhari. Then you come to social media, begin to make noise. Enough is enough. Wala wadia. Wala wadia. Mani do in diaspora, we are telling people should go. Enough is enough. Oh, sit and I'm going to get why. I don't know, says it. I'm going to do what. Wala wadia. Who that way? Amaja don't what. One the thing why just where don't why show power ni. And wa kuri agwa. You are Sammy. Enough is enough. And amigo of Eddie Murphy. Wala. You both should enter house. I'm away social media need do alone. If you are away the rag even there are more than the adult people in the city. Vi Yoruba River, if you Igbo River, if you Senegal, Gambia, they have access to social media. Cameroonians, they have access to social media. They don't hear their voice. The empty vessels that make the loudest noise, that is the adult people. They are so few, but they make the loudest noise. Wamae rock, wamae ebe wamae. Wadi express cookie wajo. Who does school woman you are not committing nuisance? I'm going to do it just when I school. I'm not just going to school. What do I talk social media? Take it short from little children. Begin to talk what you know and what you don't know about. Oh, they have a thing for a formulator. It will become a stigma. When I have it become a problem. And no one will buy it. You both should wait for Judgment Day. When you think more about my normal, then you want to become governor, you want to become a local government chairman. If now you are nothing, you are not in a position, you can lie against somebody who want more than who want not bomb who are going and we have to believe way of an everybody begin to believe. Where are you about? You are not a governor, not a chairman. Then we are a chairman level in any local government. Then you just go where more money as you know people by their actions. Your actions shows that you are just for yourself alone. Whether you're writing in anybody, all the social media talk is to make money, but money did not come. There the problem lies. When I tell my social media, why amigo, and Pamaki Baby, Eva Vegena, or si ballet, bebe, or Rotora, and Murphy and the rest others. Social media is not meant to make money. It is meant for you to say a responsibility, a good thing for people to learn from. Teach people what they don't know. That is social media. It's not for you to put your account there. Put money there. Social media is not meant for that. If you also have business, like business of buying and selling, bring it, advertise it. People that have interest will also buy. I want to tell you, I might just go out that to one when they want to go. That's not even yet put off you for it. And I do the yak better than Webo Wayaji. Everybody know now. This one, that fraud now of Nabi. Scam your Wayaki. What? And we are what? You don't want to move, nothing you get where. Makawe, do Yakewe. Eddie Murphy. Ubega where Agua Yena. Away Tadanebe. Adanebe, my brother. I mean, we Germany. Nana invite you, Umajo. But nobody, nobody, yoga, nobody, Jojan, Begay. But that you're already a party with you. In our sooner, soon. Egesunu. We are already buwakba or why. Already buwakba or why. You able to make friends with the Lolo, we make friends with the rest and the rest. Fact. Because you are a party way. We did a managere, you are voulé, you know, better, are voulé. We might now Salobua. Eona, you name me away, Una Guagua. On the Saloba and Recetena. oge mari pon wene ni mari ro wene ubugbe ya fefefe muda we o na ni ma yo na salopo anya wa re di mofinia iyore mari patioge ola wole no gbera na la mewe no mu yore ye me no si wune no si ologon wa ni yore ola wole la dia that is life. So who is your friend? Your best friend is the Lord. Osaloba Lord is your best friend. Eh? The Murphy where when you feel where it can lead you to grave. And the Murphy where when you feel it can put something or it can affect you any time. So you just decide to do it. Because of a marriage, next time he will come or she will come next time. You never think of that. Our mother will be on we are ideas. It could work on we are kusia. You still have money program to do ahead, except to work when we are wounded. Do work when we have Jackboya. You still have many celebration. Never nima career yere. But because you already refuse to come, una boezu ugbe, una boeze nyamegbe, una boezo logomagbe. Negwadi paderena, the old chief in the Egwadia, a have you is abonne. Saban of we are calling. I hear you, Marina, Maria. Both you, at the Murphy of you bearing. But I know when we fee, all the baby at deal, because a record will call it pay, not pay, Yaviak Bay, Lajan, well, yeah, well, let's see Alajan Banya. Cafe and we are way, the work bay at the work bay, Emma. Yeah, we want a ladia. Who go away, oh woman, always be ready. Not you pay a key or my year, or if you pay in another left one. Hey, African, in Iowa. But a day, they're not that Iowa. I'll drive with you if you been it. Never body. All I say that I walk me where do I hear when you are? I have one ask me one of course and or Baba day. That you don't wire do. On our while here. Ebe yo tani ebe ave sigma so o da we o me no so bo we gan o wa satisfied de ke me na buse abo me na buse e ring road e ke ring road ni ya this e palace vai palace ye o me de no pa ari we palace no ya we e me asu we palace o ba to pe oyeta o da wo riri ro o yore oridi ma gbe ko we o ma mu we afia mama ye fe do ma hwe we Hejima. Amao Owama Kera by weekend. Why have one with me? Let us all be ready. Open life for everybody. Who that way up banyo my yafe no mokba. That day no when I de na we say na azoni yere. Say that day say na azoni yere boy. E va solo ka express gbe yo to me ma enu ede se na zo na me wona me we na ta mi yore na we ta me vie Paris ni azo ni yore so at e via ofure do aro because yore no mi yore e to ma no wo ma e to mo no na ne visunu da so pa a me so pa le gazo Nala wo no me se na azo ni yore zebe me no la jaunu no ze gie by weekend na call na ze gie ze seni na me we evina ya fe ofure do aro ni Jesus Christ no ya onyo pale di Murphy o ma o we no fi gbe ye ki o ma ye yere ba o but ye na rule ario wa o te so wanya adadije ajo wa na do ba yi ye fi gbegbe so ere ma gbon ye there's no problem Kabo pon wa ya fe no ri sabo ade ba wa e tamuwa wa o ye do pataki una o ye do una lele e programme yore orion ba orin da unone e owe one we yore of you gi egwa le ba se ba program ogeni wa ka wa le wa cut off iye do pataki iye do le cause ebo ezebo edoze o site we Waka wa kote programming off. Waka mewe I guatona com. That's number one. Program and wa kote off. Then waka me no wana we waka wa bo de ge no la jan we na when I although we get ticket on a bay or you want, and any answer you would. Any one more say, why our domo, why our wessy, Saba de Bawa, why are we kill with Daniel, and then I may folk that way, you care a guade. Avec un sautier, ni boutier, we any matter of Siabole, and you guanya. So the result, I might end them. Here, Paris, Amoya Wabo, Edo Union of Paris, Edo United of Paris, Edo Community in Paris, and who are Sumo, what Daniel Codini, and or some treating us and then all young the way La Javena to Tamu, and what I know, at the most, or blue, and one I wear if you boy, Wadomo, Saba de Bawa, Wayawa Hill, Hamibi. Thank you all. Ciao. Wawese. Testimony. Thank you all. By weekend, by the grace of God, by weekend, Friday night, Friday evening, there will be an open call. So everybody should say their mind wherever you are. Speak and say your mind about this, our palace matter. There will be a light. Thank you all. Everybody thank you. Thank you all.